We're walking back from fishing. Walking through track. Yeah, fun. We just went fishing. Gotta get ready for my basketball game and stuff, 2 basketball games. And, well, we're gonna go fishing right after we're done my basketball game. Right? Right? Maybe, if we feel great. And if we don't have to go. And we don't have to go anywhere else. Like grocery shop. Woo! Too tiring. And refreshing. My legs are so bad. So, just say we just went fishing. Had an amazing time. And I'm gonna give you over to Matt.
Oh, you are. What's up? My hair's all fucked.
So fine.
Should have seen the fire we had though. My hair's really fucked up.
It's so fun.
Should have seen the fire. It's huge. Alright, here's Sierra. I'm done. Bye.
Be sure to subscribe and comment on my channel and Nathaniel Matt. Subscribe and comment. Okay, bye.